Everyone, so today I'm showing you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel on PC or laptop. This will remove all your videos, comments, and subscribers, so make sure you really want to do this. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to the channel you want to delete. Now, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. If you have multiple channels, make sure the correct one is selected. You can switch channels by clicking Switch Account if needed. Okay, once you've confirmed the right channel, click on YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your channel's dashboard. Here's the thing. In YouTube Studio, look at the bottom left sidebar and click on Settings. A settings window will pop up. In the Settings menu, click on Channel from the left side, then click on Advanced Settings. Now, scroll down until you see Remove YouTube Content under the Other Settings section. Click on that. YouTube will ask you to sign in again to verify it's really you, so enter your password. Now you'll see two options. I want to hide my content, and I want to permanently delete my content. If you just want to temporarily hide your channel, choose the first option. But if you want to permanently delete everything, select I want to permanently delete my content. YouTube will show you what's going to be deleted, all your videos, playlists, comments, and subscribers. Read through it carefully, check the boxes to confirm, then click Delete My Content. You'll need to type in your email address exactly as shown to confirm. Type it in, then click Delete My Content one final time. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now being deleted. This may take a few days to complete. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.